Hi everyone, we are in 2025 and let me tell you, I used to dread virtual meetings, especially with large teams. Enter the HORION HM5P conference speaker. My team and I now experience clarity like never before. Its 360-degree voice pickup with 8 microphones ensures every voice in the room is heard loud and clear, even from 20 feet away. The AI noise-canceling feature eliminates distractions, creating a seamless conversation flow. With up to 8 hours of call time, we sail through our longest meetings smoothly. Connecting is effortless, whether it's via USB, dongle, or Bluetooth. Seamlessly compatible with all my go-to conferencing apps, HORION HM5P redefines our communication standard. Check this speaker customer's reviews on Amazon link below and choose the best. Ready to elevate your meetings? Streamline your sessions with the HM5P today. Good luck!